from Soul Harmony Yoga. Welcome to day 5 of our online yoga workshop for spinal care. Congratulations if you've made it this far. Not many people will actually make it to the 5th day of an online program, so well done. And congratulations if you're doing it for the first day as well, because sometimes you join a workshop in a different part, and I'll let you know it's absolutely fine to join today even though it's the last day. So let's go through everything that we've been through this week. So I'm just going to pop off my stool, pop that to one side, and just come over onto my yoga mat. So if you want to come onto your yoga mats, and we're going to go through first of all the 4 ways that we moved our spine. Okay, so feet are hip width apart, and you've just got a bit of softness in your knees, lengthening through your spine. Chin is parallel towards the floor, so your head isn't back or forwards. And then remembering our core strength, so you're going to take a breath in, and as you breathe out, drawing the abdominal muscles back towards your spine, pelvic floor is lifted. Let's take the right hand under the navel, resting on the abdomen. Left arm raises up, and it's just above the crown of my head, you can just see, and then I'm going to extend. Remembering any blood pressure issues, stretching over, you would have your hand just on your shoulder. That's it, we're going to breathe in. Big breath in, lengthen through, exhale. Step back a little bit, that's it. Inhale, let's do that one more time on each side. Lengthen through, exhale. Lovely. Inhale, exhale. Lovely. And then bring in your hand back down. We're going to come into our forward and back bend, so I'll turn on my side. So we're going to start into the back bend. Feet are hip width apart, knees are soft. We're going to lengthen through. And just start to gently arch your back, remembering that your head is an extension of your spine rather than dropping back. Inhale, lift up. Issues with sciatica, just come to a flat back. We're just letting your body flow down, let your head and neck relax down. Inhale, uncurl. Exhale, gentle back bend. Inhale, uncurl. Exhale, relax down here. So remembering, we talked about relaxing down. This is a way that you can really help yourself to calm down. And then we're going to uncurl back to standing, taking your shoulders back. Lovely. So feet are going to be hip width apart. We're going to do a different twist today. And this is the 4th move. And these 4 movements that we've just done, the side bend, forward and back bend, and the twist, you will move your spine in every direction when you do these movements. So it's a really thorough way to start to really loosen up your spine. So we're going to start to just turn, and as I turn, I just lift the left heel up, and then we're going to flow in the opposite direction. That's it. Oh, it's quite hard to do this in 20 minutes. And then just starting to bring your arms to the middle of your back. And then starting to tap your shoulders. So even just this move on its own will alleviate tightness and tension. And because you're working your arms up through the whole of your spine, so you've got your arms on your shoulders, and then you're bringing them to the middle of your body, and then around to your hips, you'll be able to feel which area of your body you're actually working on, so which area of your back, should I say, that you're working on. So you can just take your arms, so the middle of your body, Just take them to wherever you feel the tension, and you'll start to just release that tension, remembering to raise the heels so that you've got that extra twist. And then we're just going to let the arms drop down. Lovely. And then slow that movement down. Great. So coming onto our mat. So that was the 4 movements. So the first, if you remember day 1, let's assess how your day is going. 2, let's move your spine in every direction to start to ease and loosen it up. 3, let's get more specific. So this movement, you've got your wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. I'm going to start to arch the back around and relax the head down. So we're getting more specific here. Belly down, chest down, head raises up as we're starting to move the spine segmentally. Arching round, arch the back up, head drops down, hips go back, chest, belly down, head comes up. Let's breathe out for the last one. Really arching your back up, belly button towards the spine. Exhale. Inhale, sorry. We'll do that one more time. So we're going to exhale as we round the back. Inhale as we lift up. Great. Another move that we did this week to get into the upper back and get into the shoulders was the Sphinx. So your elbows are under your shoulders, arms come together, hands come together, and just lengthening through. Just check your pelvis is comfortable and lengthen through from the sternum, and let your shoulder blades drop down your back. Just take a couple of breaths here, just allowing your back to round off in the other way rather than your shoulders being sloped forward. We just want to have that subtle movement of the shoulder blades dropping down the spine. 2 more breaths here. Lovely. And then we're going to finish with our child's pose, which is a lovely pose to just really calm the body. So you're just going to, you maybe want to put a cushion between your thighs, just going to drop back and just extend the arms out to start with. I like to just take my knees a little bit wider here and then dropping the head down to the mat. If your head doesn't want to go down to the mat, you can put one fist on top of the other and just breathe into the whole of your back here. In fact, we'll breathe segmentally. Let's do our relaxation from here. So taking your awareness to the lower back, take a big breath in and let your lower back soften as you exhale. Take your awareness to the middle of your back, take a big breath in. Just allowing the middle of your back to expand out. Exhale, let it soften down. Awareness into the upper back, take a big breath into this space. Softening down as we exhale. And then just bringing the arms so that they're just, the one arm is folded on top of the other, the elbows are bent. You're just going to rest your head down on your arms, and we're going to do that movement one more time. So breathing into your lower back, relaxing down, just feeling the weight of your body sinking into the floor, into the middle of your back. Big breath in, exhale, relaxing down into the upper back. Big breath in and relaxing down. And then just taking 3 normal breath lengths here. Just follow that cycle, and every time you exhale, just let your body soften down. And then when you're ready, I don't want to move, it's too nice. Put your hands under your shoulders. Oh, and lift up. Oh, it feels so good. It just never ceases to amaze me. Just come into a comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day and that your spines are now much happier and healthier than they were at the beginning of the week. Namaste.